name's Keith Wilcox. I graduated from Indiana University in 2002 for construction management, and I became a foreman 2 years ago, and this is the third job I've been out on. We're doing a factory for Ken's Foods in Lebanon, Indiana. We run all kinds of material for the mechanical side. We're usually looking at hydronic, heating and cooling, carbon steel, stainless steel, usually all weld to run your air handlers and your equipment like that. That's what we were looking at on this one, would have been stainless steel the whole way. My first impressions with CoolFit were, I was a little overwhelmed. It was a new product. No one out here had seen it before. It seemed daunting at first, but once we got started on it, it went a lot better than anyone could have ever expected. The fusion pipe that we used was all 16-inch, and it was used to run the air handlers, the mains on the roof. The ABS we used was 12-inch all the way down to 2-inch. It was impressive once we got started on it as compared to its counterpart, the stainless pipe. So the system at Ken's, the CoolFit, is used to do all the cooling in the facility. There are 7 air handlers up there. They have equipment running off of it to keep the bulk storages cool as well. So they're running glycol through all of it. It's run at 34 degrees, the glycol. I think CoolFit was chosen for this job because it was set up, this facility had to go up in under a year. Time is becoming a major issue in our industry. We were looking at probably a 4-month turnaround, and even in the winter, the elements, we were able to turn it in 2 months. The fusion pipe just was very quick, easy to use. You hook it up, heat it, let it cool, and it's ready to go. And it went a lot quicker than I think would have been possible with any type of weld pipe. It's already pre-insulated, so it's a little bit bigger, but it makes it easier to deal with. Up there, you have an easier way to grab it with a plastic shell on it. We were able to lift it with come-alongs and chain falls, and even the biggest pipes were nowhere near the weight of the other ones. All of your weight is just so much less. You didn't have to worry about the injuries involved with the heavier pipe. That was all a plus that we were looking forward to in using the CoolFit. The CoolFit did some customization. They made us, there were tees that we needed that if you were welding, you would have had to do some special fitting to make them up, to make it work. Tees for us to put right in the line. So it would be a 10-foot run that would have the tees already rolled on the 45s we needed. Just put it in, bolt it up, ready to go. The training was excellent. They came out, trained us for 3-4 days. George Fisher was able to provide the tools and information we needed. George Fisher was very good about getting back with us and sending guys out several times in the job to keep up with any questions that we had or new tools that they were developing as the job went along. And looking forward, personally, I would say the George Fisher system is something that I plan on seeing a lot more of. Personally, I would be very interested in working with it again. The speed that you're able to do and just the advantages overall in being able to put it together quickly, having the assistance you need. Yeah, I think overall, with no issues with the system, it's something that I would definitely use in the future.